just know that it's making you stronger. The warrior in now is going to build your muscles. The warrior in now is going to make you better. You better be as strong as you are now. If it wasn't for the warfare, if it wasn't for the battle, if it wasn't for the fight, you better be as strong as you are right now. If it wasn't for the lies, if it wasn't for the conflict, if it wasn't for the attack, if it wasn't for the struggle, but God said to tell you that this time you're getting stronger. You're coming out of it with power. When you come out of this, you're going to be mighty. When you come out of this, you're going to be great. This war is making you tough. This war is making you better. It's preparing you for the next level. It's making the enemies weaker. It's making them run. It's making them feeble. But it's making you strong. This is your time to be strong. Your weak days are behind you. Your crying days are behind you. But this is your day for warfare. This is your time to be stronger. This is your time to get up, to stand up, to look at the devil and say, devil, I'm not running, I'm not hiding, I'm standing my ground. The war, you thought would make me weak. The warfare, you thought I would give up. The warfare, you thought I would quit. But all it did was make me stronger. You're stronger now. Grab somebody's hand. I feel warfare. Get up on your feet and grab your neighbor and tell him, neighbor, turn me up, I feel God. And tell him, neighbor, I know it's been a fight. I know it's been a war. I know you've been attacked. I know they tried to fight you with everything that they had in them. They used their strength to try and destroy you. They used their power to tear you down. But all they did was make you stronger. The more lies they told, the stronger you got. The more they fought you, the stronger you got. The more they attacked you, the stronger you got. You're strong now. You're strong now. Open your mouth and let the devil hear and say, I'm strong. I'm strong. This warfare is making me strong. This fight is making me strong. This attack is making me strong. Open your mouth and let the devil know I'm strong. I'm strong. I'm strong. I feel God in here. On the count of 3, I want everybody in here to open up your mouth and begin to war. I feel spirits here, but the devil's a liar. There's spirits of depression trying to weigh you down. Spirits of worry trying to weigh you down. It's warfare in the spirit. killing us. It's making us stronger. Are you ready for warfare? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Open up your mouth. We're in warfare now. I said open up your mouth. Let's send the devil a message. He's been warring against your house, warring against your family, warring on the job. But he's a liar. He's been warring in the church, but he's a liar. I said he's a liar. Open up your mouth. Let's go to war. I declare war against every demon. I declare war against witchcraft. I declare war against the power of darkness. I declare war against candle burners. I declare war on black magic in the name of Jesus. Open your mouth. Don't look around. The devil's after you, after your house, after your home. But show the devil you're stronger now. You used to cry. You used to complain. But now you're stronger. The warfare is making you stronger. It's making you stronger. You're getting might. You're getting power. You're getting delivered. You're getting healed. You're getting breakthrough. Change is coming. Change is coming. The warfare. The warfare. The warfare. The warfare is making you stronger. I rebuke the devil. Every attack now. In the name of Jesus. Open up your mouth. I said open up your mouth. I said open your mouth. And walk. I feel God in here. Some of y'all are looking around. It's what you don't know. There's an attack on you. There's a target on you. That's why he's been fighting you all week long. He's attacked your children. He's attacked your mind. He's attacked your money. This is warfare. This is warfare. You've lost too much. Don't be quiet.